Today at Coyote Classics, we're checking out this beautiful 1965 original red GTO. This is a full frame off restoration done beautifully with a Butler Performance big block. This thing's built for speed and it's absolutely gorgeous. The paint is laser straight, the body lines are awesome as we go around here. And it's done in its original dark red with a black interior, buckets, 4-speed, beautiful chrome and stainless. Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the undercarriage photos as well. Front grille, bumpers are all beautiful. Eyebrows are all done correctly, the correct seals in there. Look at the hood, Brady. As far as the back of the hood lines up perfectly, both sides. Really nice gap from front to back. As we go underneath the hood, this thing's just plain Jane, all muscle.
It's probably hard to tell how cool this thing sounds through the phone, but
I can't wait to drive it. I haven't driven this thing yet at all, so I'm really excited. It's got aluminum heads. These motors aren't cheap either. I mean, these guys, Butler Performance does a beautiful job on Pontiac engines. They specialize in those. All the upper and lower control arms are all tubular, all brand new. Suspension's new, steering box is new.
doesn't look like it was done long ago at all.
No, it's a really nice restoration. I'll let you finish that. And the biggest thing is just the quality of the paint and body and of the whole car. You know, definitely a show quality car. You can take it to any show and win some trophies. It came in, it's got front disc brakes, and it's got some really cool Hurst wheels. And it kind of goes with the theme of the car. I wasn't sure if I wanted to leave them or do something else. If you love the car but you don't like the wheels, we can definitely go ahead and get some different wheels for you. I love the red lines. That just sets it off. It's got a nice size on the red lines too. As we're going here, Brady, just the gaps all the way across from top to bottom here is great. It's just a little bit of dirt. We drove it around. Look at the paint quality. Trim quality is beautiful. The way the bottom of the door and top of the door fit here is beautiful as well. No bubbles, no blisters, no issues anywhere. I love the styling of a 65 GTO and a 67 GTO. They're my two favorite years. As we open up the door here, fits up beautifully. Just look at the corner of the door, is all nice. The door jamb paint still looks wet. Obviously the doors, hood, trunk, everything was painted off the car. Door jambs are just as nice as the rest of the car here. And the interior is just gorgeous. Very professionally done. Headliner is super tight. Rear sails are nice. You can just tell on the quality of this. It's just very crisp.
Yep.
Check out how nice that is. See that nice gap? There's no crossing over. It's nice and tight all the way throughout. The black vinyl top really sets it off. And anytime you're buying one of the vinyl top, you really want to check in these sails here and make sure you don't have rust. So very, very solid all the way through here, all the way across the back too. As we go to the back, these pieces here, I don't think they reproduce. This is all original, and it's got a few little pits in this piece, but one of the best I've seen.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's that old.
Yeah, very, very nice, but it's 60 years old. Back bumper's all been redone. They replaced that. It's got the reverse lights in there. Beautiful 3-inch, looks like 2 3/4, 3-inch dual exhaust. Look at here.
Beautiful.
Now look at that trunk floor, Brady. Isn't that gorgeous?
Yep.
They did a beautiful job, super solid. It's got a kind of a matching rim. This is just your information. This has actually got FiTech fuel injection on it. So it's just got some information here, instructions, stuff like that we're gonna send with the car. But this is just the quality of it. Look at the paint and all the jams. You can just tell it's just a show quality GTO. There's a big difference between this one and a, $45,000 to $55,000 one. Okay. As far as our driver's side, bottom of the door fits perfect. No bubbles, no blisters, super straight. As you're doing that, I'll go ahead and open the door a little bit and we'll get ready to take it out. We do have a few little chips here, and this is just kind of getting in and out. Before it takes off, we'll go ahead and make sure those get touched up for you, but just a few little chips right there. But again, our gaps are awesome, top of the fenders, top of the doors. Get a glimpse of that paint out in the sun. Look at that. When that sun hits that quarter, just it's gorgeous.
Yeah.
As we open up the driver's door, again, all new felts, rubbers, all that's very freshly done. Corner of the door is beautiful. High quality door panels, seat covers, dash, all of it. Dome light works perfect, headliner is beautiful, visors are nice. The wood grain's all in great shape, oil pressure's got great oil pressure, over 60 pounds. The factory tack we have to check out. I'm not sure why that's not working, but we will check on that. Horn will work, we just got a brand new piece, just came in for the horn. This new contact piece, we got to get that put in, the horn will work. Temperature gauge works, gas gauge works, we're at full. These are wipers.
Wipers.
Yep. Heater fan works good. On a day like today, that's important.
Yep. Nice radio.
Isn't this a nice car? I mean, if you're looking for something just to jump in and enjoy and love, this is it. Look how much room I got. I just was able to move the seat back. Remember that 67 Camaro I took you for a little spinning yesterday?
Yeah.
I expect this car to be about like that one.
Oh boy, that'd be hard to beat.
Yeah, that was pretty quick.
It's got a good handle for me to hold on to. Things get wet.
That's very important with the GTO, the grab handle, the infamous grab handle.
The clutch feels super nice on it too. I
Yeah,
thought.
it's got a nice tight clutch in it. Speedometer works good.
Oh.
Yeah, this is nuts. This might be worse. This might be faster than that Camaro.
Yeah.
That big black Camaro yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Here's your FiTech information, and it's got some Velcro on it as well. So it's got all that goodies.
All them goodies.
Just the quality of the interior and the dash and everything is. You're looking for something that's pretty much perfect. This is it. But how much money was spent on the drivetrain to make sure all the front suspension handles this power?
Yeah.
You know, we'll get on it a little bit on the way back. There's your temp gauge coming up.
Holy cow.
This ain't your typical grandpa's GTO,
No, it's not.
is it? Look at how it goes down the road, Brady. Look at that steering and how tight that is. That's because all those parts are new. And the fuel injection, I mean, it is just so crisp and right there.
It is.
How about the tires? I think they might even be biased tires. How nice this rides.
Yeah, it does.
The
ride
suspension
actually really
feels perfect. The stance is excellent. Speedometer does have a little bounce at 70 mile an hour. Here's your disc brakes, no power, no problem. Look at that. No pull left or right, those front discs, and the brakes are set up perfectly.
We got someone coming here.
Yeah, with that FiTech fuel injection, this is probably the best one I've ever had as far as just tuned in, ready to roll.
Yeah.
A lot of times these fuel injective systems we really struggle with when they come in. Again, here's your clutch. It's got a really nice, high quality clutch in it.
You can tell whoever did it knew what they were doing.
Well, they spent a lot of money on the mechanical as well as paint and body. They wanted a perfect, fast car, and that's what they got, man.
Exactly.
We're not gonna start from the scratch and hurt anybody. Ready? That whole front end just flips right off the ground. Doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
That's 0 to 80 like that from a rolling start. I like the gears that it's got in it too. Going down the road at 72 mile an hour and it's just cruising right down the road.
Yeah.
But you still have so